The pressures table is specific to each fork. You can find the air pump in description. The red button is used to release air. I inflate it to 180 psi because I like a stiffer fork for my weight.